Picture this, a theme park where everything is built from the world's most beloved toy bricks, where imagination comes to life in colorful plastic perfection. Legoland California Resort in Carlsbad delivers exactly that experience, creating a unique destination that bridges the gap between childhood wonder and family fun. This isn't your typical thrill-seeking amusement park, but rather a carefully crafted world designed specifically for families with children aged 2 to 12. The moment you step through the gates, you're transported into a realm where creativity reigns supreme. Every corner of this 57-acre park showcases the incredible versatility of LEGO bricks, from massive sculptures to interactive attractions. The attention to detail is genuinely impressive, with LEGO models so intricate they'll have you wondering how many thousands of pieces went into their construction. What sets Legoland apart from other theme parks is its unwavering focus on the target demographic. While teenagers might find some attractions too tame, families with younger children will discover a paradise of age-appropriate thrills and educational entertainment. The park strikes an excellent balance between excitement and accessibility, ensuring that even the most cautious young riders can participate in the fun. The Dragon Coaster stands as one of the park's signature attractions, offering a perfect introduction to roller coasters for first-time riders. This family-friendly coaster winds through a medieval castle complete with LEGO dragons and knights, providing just enough excitement without overwhelming younger guests. The ride reaches speeds that feel thrilling to kids while remaining comfortable for nervous parents riding alongside. Project X takes things up a notch, featuring the park's only major indoor coaster experience. This attraction combines storytelling with moderate thrills as riders help agents navigate through a high-tech facility. The indoor setting allows for impressive special effects and climate control, making it enjoyable regardless of weather conditions. The queue area itself is entertaining, filled with interactive elements that keep waiting guests engaged. The Flight Squadron represents Legoland's attempt at a more intense thrill ride, featuring a suspended coaster design where riders' feet dangle freely. While still family-oriented, this attraction provides the closest thing to a traditional thrill ride experience you'll find in the park. The aviation theme is well executed, with detailed LEGO airplane models and airport scenery throughout the ride area. For water-based fun, the Coast Cruise offers a gentle boat ride through LEGO-themed scenes depicting California landmarks. Guests can operate water cannons to spray targets along the route, adding an interactive element that kids absolutely love. The ride provides a nice break from walking while showcasing impressive LEGO craftsmanship in the detailed dioramas. Driving School deserves special mention as one of the most popular attractions, allowing children to operate real electric cars on a miniature road course. Kids follow traffic rules, navigate intersections, and even earn official LEGO driving licenses upon completion. This attraction brilliantly combines education with entertainment, teaching valuable lessons about road safety in an engaging format. The park is divided into 7 distinct themed areas, each offering its own unique atmosphere and attractions. Funtown serves as the park's heart, featuring the iconic LEGO factory tour where guests can witness the brickmaking process and receive free LEGO bricks as souvenirs. The area also houses the impressive 4D theater, where specially produced LEGO movies come to life with environmental effects like wind, water, and smoke. Castle Hill transports visitors to medieval times with its impressive castle structure and dragon-themed attractions. The attention to detail in this area is remarkable, with LEGO knights, princesses, and mythical creatures positioned throughout elaborately designed scenes. The Royal Joust provides a gentle spinning ride experience perfect for younger children, while the walking paths offer numerous photo opportunities with medieval LEGO displays. Miniland USA represents perhaps the park's most impressive achievement, featuring scaled-down LEGO recreations of famous American landmarks and cities. The level of detail is absolutely staggering, with moving vehicles, trains, and even tiny LEGO people going about their daily lives. Las Vegas glitters with miniature lights, Washington, D.C. showcases government buildings in brick form, and New York City bustles with LEGO taxicabs and pedestrians. Land of Adventure brings safari themes to life with attractions like Safari Trek, where guests can observe LEGO animals in their natural habitats while learning about wildlife conservation. The area features lush landscaping and detailed animal sculptures that create an immersive jungle atmosphere. Kids can dig for fossils, explore ancient ruins, and encounter exotic LEGO creatures throughout their adventure. Pirate Shores captures the swashbuckling spirit with water-based attractions and pirate-themed play areas. The splash battle allows families to engage in water warfare from pirate ships, soaking both riders and spectators watching from designated splash zones. The theming here is particularly strong, with detailed pirate ships, treasure chests, and skull and crossbones imagery creating an authentic buccaneer atmosphere. LEGO Ninjago World introduces guests to the popular LEGO franchise through interactive attractions and training activities. The centerpiece LEGO Ninjago The Ride combines 4D technology with hand gesture controls, allowing riders to throw fire, ice, shock, and earth using only their hands. This cutting-edge attraction represents some of the most advanced technology in the park. LEGO City provides real-world experiences in miniature, featuring a working airport, fire station, and police headquarters. Children can participate in flight academy training, help firefighters battle blazes, or join police officers in protecting LEGO City. These attractions excel at combining entertainment with educational elements, teaching kids about various professions and civic responsibilities. The dining options throughout Legoland cater specifically to family needs with kid-friendly menus and reasonable portions. The Knights Tournament restaurant offers medieval-themed dining with hearty American fare including burgers, chicken tenders, and pizza. The atmosphere captures the castle theme perfectly, with knight decorations and royal banners creating an immersive dining experience. Garden Restaurant provides a more upscale dining option with a diverse menu featuring salads, sandwiches, and international cuisine. The outdoor seating area offers beautiful views of the park's landscaping and provides a peaceful break from the excitement. Parents appreciate the healthier menu options and the opportunity to enjoy a more relaxed meal. Granny's apple fries represent one of the park's most popular snack options, featuring apple slices cut like French fries and served with caramel dipping sauce. This creative treat perfectly embodies Legoland's family-friendly approach to dining, offering something sweet that parents can feel good about giving their children. The presentation is as appealing as the taste, with colorful garnishes that match the park's vibrant aesthetic. Pizza and Pasta Buffet delivers exactly what its name promises, with an extensive selection of Italian favorites served buffet style. This option works particularly well for families with picky eaters, as everyone can choose exactly what they want. The buffet format also helps keep costs reasonable for larger families, which is always appreciated. The Hideaways provides quick service options perfect for guests who want to maximize their ride time. Burgers, hot dogs, and chicken strips dominate the menu, along with sides like apple slices and veggie sticks. While the food quality is standard theme park fare, the speed of service and convenient locations make these spots valuable for busy families. Entertainment offerings at Legoland focus heavily on character interactions and educational shows rather than large-scale productions. LEGO Friends shows feature the popular toy line characters in live performances that emphasize friendship, creativity, and problem-solving. These intimate shows work well for the target audience, maintaining attention spans while delivering positive messages. Character meet and greets happen throughout the park with LEGO Ninjago characters, LEGO Friends, and classic LEGO minifigures available for photos and interactions. The character costumes are well designed and instantly recognizable to children familiar with the various LEGO franchises. Staff members in these roles demonstrate excellent training in interacting with young guests. Seasonal events add variety to the entertainment calendar, with special Halloween and holiday celebrations that transform the park's atmosphere. Halloween brings kid-friendly spooky decorations and costume contests, while the winter holidays feature elaborate LEGO Christmas displays and special character appearances. These events demonstrate the park's commitment to providing fresh experiences for return visitors. The 4D movie theater rotates through various LEGO-themed films throughout the year, featuring popular franchises like LEGO Batman, LEGO Ninjago, and original LEGO Adventures. The environmental effects truly enhance the viewing experience, with seats that move, water sprays, and air blasts that correspond to on-screen action. These movies provide excellent entertainment value and a climate-controlled break from outdoor activities. Shopping opportunities abound throughout Legoland, with the Big Shop serving as the main retail destination near the park entrance. This massive store features the largest selection of LEGO sets and exclusive park merchandise available anywhere. The variety is impressive, ranging from small impulse purchases to elaborate sets that aren't available in regular retail stores. The Build-a-Minifigure stations scattered throughout the park offer interactive shopping experiences where guests can create custom LEGO characters. Children love mixing and matching different heads, bodies, legs, and accessories to create unique figures. These stations provide excellent souvenir options that feel personalized and special. Pick-a-brick walls allow guests to fill containers with loose Lego pieces in various colors and shapes. This concept appeals to serious Lego enthusiasts who want specific pieces for their own creations at home. The pricing structure makes these purchases feel like good value compared to buying individual sets. Photo services capture family memories throughout the park, with professional photographers positioned at key attractions and scenic locations. The quality of these photos exceeds typical theme park standards, and the Lego-themed backgrounds and props create unique keepsakes. Digital packages allow families to access all their photos conveniently through mobile apps. Legoland excels in providing facilities specifically designed for families with young children. The baby care centers feature comfortable nursing areas, changing stations, and quiet spaces for feeding infants. These facilities are clean, well-maintained, and strategically located throughout the park for convenient access. Stroller rental services offer high-quality options that can handle the park's terrain while providing comfort for tired little legs. The rental strollers are regularly sanitized and maintained, giving parents confidence in their cleanliness and safety. Designated stroller parking areas near attractions help keep walkways clear while ensuring easy access. The Duplo Playtown area caters specifically to toddlers and preschoolers with age-appropriate play structures and gentle attractions. Large, soft Lego Duplo blocks allow for safe, creative play, while miniature rides provide thrills suitable for the youngest guests. This area gives families with mixed-age children a place where everyone can participate comfortably. Height requirements throughout the park are generally accommodating for young children, with many attractions requiring no minimum height or allowing shorter children to ride with adult supervision. Clear signage helps families plan their day and avoid disappointment at attraction entrances. Guest services at Legoland demonstrate a clear understanding of family needs and challenges. Locker rentals are available in various sizes and conveniently located near water attractions and popular rides. The electronic payment system makes accessing lockers simple and eliminates the frustration of lost keys. First aid stations are staffed with trained medical professionals experienced in treating common childhood injuries and illnesses. The staff maintains a calm, reassuring demeanor that helps both children and parents feel comfortable during stressful situations. Basic supplies and common medications are readily available. Accessibility services ensure that guests with disabilities can enjoy most attractions and facilities. Wheelchair rentals are available, and many attractions accommodate guests with mobility challenges. The park provides detailed accessibility guides that help families plan their visits effectively. Guest relations staff consistently demonstrate patience and helpfulness when addressing concerns or questions. Their training clearly emphasizes customer service excellence, and they often go above and beyond to ensure positive experiences for disappointed or frustrated guests. The staff's ability to connect with children is particularly noteworthy. From an overall experience perspective, Legoland California succeeds brilliantly at its intended mission of serving families with young children. The park's greatest strength lies in its focused approach. Rather than trying to appeal to everyone, it commits fully to creating the best possible experience for its target demographic. This focus results in attractions, dining, and services that truly meet family needs. Crowd management generally works well due to the park's size and visitor capacity. Lines rarely become overwhelming, and the variety of attractions helps distribute guests throughout the facility. However, summer weekends and holiday periods can still result in longer wait times at popular attractions. Cleanliness standards remain consistently high throughout the park, with maintenance staff regularly cleaning restrooms, dining areas, and attraction queues. The landscaping is well maintained and adds to the overall aesthetic appeal. Trash removal happens frequently enough that litter rarely becomes an issue. Value for money depends largely on family size and interests, but most visitors find the experience justifies the cost. Season passes offer excellent value for local families, while single-day tickets work well for vacation visitors. The quality of attractions and overall experience generally meets or exceeds expectations. Staff friendliness stands out as a particular strength, with employees consistently demonstrating genuine enthusiasm for their roles. Cast members clearly receive training in interacting with children, and their positive attitudes contribute significantly to the overall atmosphere. What truly distinguishes Legoland from competitors is its unwavering commitment to the LEGO brand and its associated values of creativity, learning, and imagination. While other parks might include educational elements as afterthoughts, Legoland seamlessly integrates learning opportunities into every attraction and experience. The result feels natural rather than forced. The park scale works perfectly for its audience, large enough to provide a full day of entertainment, but small enough that families don't feel overwhelmed or exhausted. Parents can easily navigate the entire facility while maintaining sight lines to their children, creating a more relaxed experience than larger parks typically offer. Miniland USA alone justifies a visit, representing one of the most impressive displays of LEGO artistry anywhere in the world. The combination of static displays and moving elements creates a living miniature world that fascinates both children and adults. Regular updates and seasonal changes ensure that even repeat visitors discover new details. The integration of modern technology with traditional LEGO play creates unique experiences not available elsewhere. LEGO Ninjago The Ride's hand gesture controls and the various interactive elements throughout the park demonstrate innovation while maintaining the hands-on spirit that makes LEGO special. Ticket options provide flexibility for different types of visitors, with single-day general admission serving most vacation guests adequately. Multi-day tickets offer modest savings for extended visits, while annual passes deliver excellent value for local families planning multiple visits. Premium packages include parking and meal deals that can provide convenience and savings. The adjacent Legoland Hotel extends the experience for guests wanting to fully immerse themselves in the LEGO world. Themed rooms feature LEGO decorations and in-room treasure hunts that continue the park experience even during downtime. The hotel's proximity eliminates transportation concerns and allows for early park access. Guest experience highlights consistently center around the personal attention and magical moments created by staff members. Children frequently mention receiving special treatment from ride operators, unexpected LEGO gifts from employees, or memorable character interactions that exceeded expectations. These moments transform ordinary visits into treasured family memories. The park's commitment to maintaining the wonder and innocence of childhood shows in countless small details, from the careful selection of background music to the thoughtful placement of interactive elements that encourage discovery and exploration. Legoland California succeeds because it remembers that the best family entertainment comes from shared experiences that bring out the child in everyone.